Hi guys, this is Maima and welcome back to my channel. आज हम ये look करने वाले हैं. Very simple, very easy. It's gonna take you about probably like 5 minutes. It took me more time to explain it. I guarantee it's not gonna take you more than 5 minutes to achieve this eye look. This video not only captures the eye look but also a summer makeup look breakdown. It's almost 50 degrees in Delhi and we need like a sweat-proof makeup. Something that is not too overboard but we still want to do makeup. Without further ado, let's begin. Whenever doing makeup, do not skip on your primer. Like this is the most important thing. इसकी वजह से आपका makeup एक जगह पे stay करता है, long lasting बनता है. The one that I use is this Silk Blur from Brosh Beauty. Is my favorite. To do like an everyday smoky eyeliner kind of thing, I love to use my tape. I'm just gonna take out like this tiny piece. We're gonna divide this into two. I'm gonna place this like right next. We're gonna try and match that. With a smoky eyeliner or something, I like to play around with my eyeshadows and not go in with a base, like a concealer base, क्योंकि वो बहुत केकी सा हो जाता है. We've already applied primer, so that's enough. This is the Urban Decay Naked palette and this is the Ultimate Basics. I have this since 2017. This is pretty old and probably expired, but सबसे पहले we are going to take some gray shade because we don't want to directly go in with the black one that is so pigmented. Maybe यहाँ पे जहाँ पे tape है, I'm just gonna blend it like into this. It takes time for colors to show up when you do not have concealer base. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of my eye. We need like an ombre effect. We don't need something that looks very unnatural. जो सबसे natural लगेगा वही जीतेगा. We have done like a little bit of grey and it has like the littlest impact, but trust the process. We're gonna dive into something that's a deeper brown like this one. I'm gonna take the brown shade on the same brush and again we're gonna do the same thing that I did with the grey one. I'm just gonna blend it towards the tape. It's okay अगर वो tape पे आता है क्योंकि आप वो tape remove कर दोगे. Do the same thing on this side with the same brown, grey, whatever. At this point everything is mixed up in my brush. I would like to go in with a brush that has absolutely no color on it and we're just gonna blend this area out. It's like a soft blend. Delhi weather itna ganda hai. You can see this is like all the sweating patches that I have and I'm usually covered when I'm outside because I hate the suntan. The sweat is still leaving me itchy marks on my body. This is the time when you can go in with black, but I'm going to take like the slightest bit on the same initial brush. You'll take like very little. Be as close to your lash line as you can. You want the deepest pigmentation around here when it comes to just the black color. You don't have to be very precise. Blending it on the outside and then start bringing it inside. To give that extra oomph effect, we'll take this lighter shade and then we're going to use it on top. हमें आईलाइट को थोड़ा ये वाला एरिया enhance करना है so that ये pop होके निकले. There's a clear difference in this eye and then in this eye. This eye looks more popping. That's just because of the shade that we're using. You can layer it up as much as you like जब तक आप satisfied नहीं हो, but it's always better to go like one by one क्योंकि अगर वो overboard हो गया there's no coming back. Taking my clean brush, we're just gonna do some final blending, some final touches. Basically सब चीज़ों को blend एक साथ कर लूँ कि ऐसा लगे ना कि वो not natural है. Now is the time to reveal. ये reveal time है. 1, 2 and 3. That's so cool. I love this part of doing my eyeshadow क्योंकि इतना summer है and it's so hot in Delhi. I think we should do a very minimal makeup. That's also what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna actually go into like a full-on glam makeup, but a very essential daily basis makeup. And let's use concealer. This is from K Beauty. This is 160N, and this is a very clear dupe of the NARS concealer for me because that's very thin, right? This is also very thin, but it has the coverage that I need. And this is my second concealer. This is a light beige from Too Faced. This is more like a topper concealer, while this concealer helps me get rid of the darkness under my eyes, these hollows right here. So first we're gonna go with a deeper concealer shade. I'm just going to use the least amount of product that I possibly can. इतनी गर्मी में ना वो सब sweat हो रहा है, टाइम लगता है, पैसे लगते हैं यार. Since we have done our eyes, we have to be a little careful around the corners. This is my recent favorite brush. Like I purchased, this is a pack brush number 215. This is just gold. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इससे अपना ना कंसीलर यहाँ पे ऐसे ब्लेंड करना. इट डजंट इवन फील लाइक एनीथिंग. लेट्स यूज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंसीलर around my dark spots as well. You can like see how easily it blends into my skin. It feels like it melt हो गया अचानक से. And since it's summer, you don't really need something so heavy duty on your face. थोड़ा सा हल्का हो, थोड़ा सा लगे स्किन जैसा हो, नेचुरल लगे. So now that I have a little pimple around here, we can do a second layering and make sure that I do not disperse the product like too much. Color correction on the forehead is so essential as a brown girl. Now we're going to take my lighter concealer. This is in the shade light beige. We're not going to be so heavy with this. This is a very thick formula. I'm just going to apply like 2 dots around here. I'm going to do it under the shadow because I would like to pick it up rather than bringing it down. Switch my brushes. Absolutely not. We're going to use the same brush. धीरे धीरे हम ऊपर की साइड इसको लेकर जाएंगे. You see like the instant difference that made to my eyes. अब हम सेम यहाँ करेंगे, हल्का हल्का से धीरे धीरे ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे. The appearance is so much lesser क्योंकि वो है तो वो है, वो जाएंगे नहीं. Moving ahead, I'm going to use this blusher, and this is from La Mer. This is something I really like because of the price point and the color. Only drawback to this is like you have to put it behind your hand this much. I'm going to take this brush, and this is from Elf Cosmetics. I don't even remember, it's so old. I have collected all of my brushes with time. Brushes is something that I don't mind investing in because you can see कितना time एक brush चलता है. You should just like know how to keep it clean. You should know how to maintain it and how to use it. And that blush is super pretty. That is such a natural tone. But ये जो chrome है ना, ये बहुत सुंदर है. La Mer के products अच्छे हैं and they're so affordable. You can bring a little to the nose क्योंकि summer time है. Problem ये है कि आप जितना भी apply करोगे, अभी जितना भी extra लग रहा है, जैसी मैं मेल्ट करूँगी, सेट करूँगी, विद इन हाफ एन आवर ऑल गॉन. क्योंकि हमने ब्लश लगा लिया, आई एम स्टिल गोना गो बैक टू द फर्स्ट ब्रश आई एसेंशियली यूज फॉर माई कंसीलर्स एंड इसको थोड़ा हम ब्लेंड कर देते हैं सो दैट ऐसे आउट ऑफ शेप, आउट ऑफ नोवेयर ना लगे. I don't want to do contour as such, but let's do like a little. This is also by La Mer, and why I love this one especially for contour is because this has like such a cooler tone. Tones that have like a very brown bronzy effect, they're not for contours, they're for bronzing. They're to give you a sunburned look. This is supposed to create shadow on the jawline. My nose is pretty small, so I don't really need contouring on the nose, but definitely we can do a little on the forehead. हमने ये अप्लाई तो कर लिया, ब्लेंड नहीं किया. I'm going to use this brush from Nykaa Cosmetics. These brushes are really nice. They're like super dense. When I'm contouring, I like to take it up and towards the end of my face. Take this up and then blend it everywhere in my eye. Just like merge it. Can you see like वो जो एक structure आ रहा है? We're going to set my face with powders. We're going to use the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom on my under eye, while we're going to use the Elf Cosmetics, the translucent one, on the rest of my face. सबसे पहले Huda Beauty सब उड़ रहा है इसमें से. I'm going to put the Cherry Blossom right here. हमें वो हल्का फुल्का पिंक इफेक्ट अच्छा लगता है. सेम ब्रश क्योंकि पाउडर तो पाउडर है. क्योंकि समर से तो इतना स्वेट होता है तो we need like a whole powder layer. Not to forget the nose. We're going to use the MAC Fix Plus in the matte version, and I'm just gonna melt the makeup. Gonna give this like 2 minutes to settle down while I do my eyebrows and my lipstick, and I'll be right back. I'm back, and this is the final look. This is what it looks like by the end of it, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!